The sportier version of Audi's Q5 compact crossover SUV is the 2023 Audi SQ5. If you want the convenience of a small SUV with a touch of spice, this might be a good choice. With an 8-speed automatic transmission and a turbocharged V6 from Audi, the Q5 gains 88 horsepower for a total of 349 horsepower. That's not quite as much power as the Porsche Macan GTS's 434 horsepower or the BMW X3 M40i's 382 horsepower, but it's still quite quick. In addition to the larger engine, the SQ5 stickier tires, larger wheels, and stiffer suspension help it stand out from the Q5. The SQ5's infotainment got a makeover in 2021, which goes well with the refined interior. The 2023 model will get adaptive cruise control as standard. The Bang & Olufsen sound system, which was previously only available on the highest level Prestige trim, will also be available on the Premium Plus trim level in 2023. We believe that the SQ5 is a good choice in general. Is the SQ5 comfortable? The interior provides the level of comfort one would expect from a high-end SUV. The steady seats and calm ride mean you can drive day in and day out. While cornering, the side bolsters keep you in place and are not intrusive during the commute. The SQ5 maintains its high level of ride quality despite its sporty intentions. Save money on a SQ5 that you can buy close to you. Oops, we can't seem to find you. How are things inside? The SQ5's interior functionality receives high marks. Although the interior layout and primary physical controls are simple, they make sense. Most drivers can easily find their ideal seat and steering wheel settings thanks to the wide range of options. The dimensions of the interior are generous, giving passengers in the front and back plenty of room. How is technology? Over the past few years, Audi has been bringing its car technology up to date. Although there were a few hiccups, most of it is solid. Apple CarPlay smartphone integration is standard, but we had to use a USB connection due to connection issues. The voice activation system, which requires you to follow strict prompts, is also not very useful. How is storage doing? With the rear seats folded, the SQ5 has 54 cubic feet of storage space, which is a little less than average for this class of SUV. The storage space behind the second row is 25.9 cubic feet. Most things should fit in the decent-sized door pockets and center console. Fuel economy. How much fuel do you use? In comparison to other sport-oriented small SUVs, the EPA estimates that the SQ5 will achieve 21 mpg combined. How much is the SQ5 worth? When it comes to build quality, the SQ5 truly sets itself apart. Is continuously conveyed to its occupants by the interior. This luxury car feels like it belongs in a different class thanks to the upgraded leather and stitching that are available as an option. Special case. An agreeable and strong motor joined with satisfying taking care of makes the SQ5 hard to blame. Its turbocharged V6 engine produces entertaining thrust and sounds, and its stability control system is less intrusive than that of the standard Q5. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.